Okay. Taco the Wonder Dog. Lick Hitler.
Lick Hitler.
And
sounds like my mom early in the morning.
Guess who is... Yeah, that song is known in Jackson, Michigan as Lick Steve's Mom. Anyway, on the phone with us now from Rhode Island, I believe. Taco the Wonder Dog, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi, this is Casey Kasem. We're up to our long-distance dedication, and this one is about kids and pets, not a little situation we can all understand, whether we have kids or pets or neither.
Delay, am I? Oh, no.
Welcome to Meet the Press.
How you doing, Taco?
Squirrel in the icebox.
Really? There's a squirrel in the icebox. Well, you have your dinner planned.
Thank you! Stop putting the whisk in the laundry machine right overhead! I'm on the radio!
Yes, you are.
I got
How you doing, man?
What's class?
You're in Rhode Island, aren't you?
What?
You're in Rhode Island, right?
Yeah.
Are you near Quahog?
I'm on Avid Neck Island.
Cool.
Yeah. Wow, they got the potato there.
Man. Wow. Whew.
Well, he's got the
material
going.
He was set for us. Wow.
Well, this Giovanni is giving a pig razor, and David Lynch is going to milk up in this pre-moistened lens cloth.
Sounds like our agent.
Yes. I was going to whip out the questionnaire by the Bernard Pivot questionnaire from inside the actor's studio, but I don't know. Are you up for that, Taco?
Yeah.
All right. Taco, what is your favorite word? I thought it'd be Doritos for some reason. Can I tell you something, Taco?
Yeah.
I got to tell you this. The first thing I ever saw of yours was the Doritos animation, and Matt, our producer, showed it to me, and I had, within a minute, I had to leave the room. I was laughing so hard. I had just had like 6 tacos right before that, so I was either going to laugh so hard I would throw up. I had diarrhea that day, so I was in danger of like soiling myself. And you know how you get to laughing so hard that you get lightheaded and you almost pass out?
Yeah, well, I had a pencil sharpener friend that gave me a friend box so that when I went around to collect the friends from the cage, like the monkey friend and the hamburger friend, I had to go to the kitchen and get in the gay car. Well, anyways, I had this friend box so that when I found the hamburger friend and the monkey friend, I could put the hamburger friend and the monkey friend in the friend box.
Wow. I'm telling you, man, but I mean, that was so funny. I was either going to puke, crap myself, or pass out, or all three.
Yeah, I'm making a game.
Yeah? Cool.
Yeah, you have to win the partner. So that's the name of the game.
What is it? Far out. Will that be on your site? Will that be available?
Yes.
That'll be available on the site?
I have toys.
Cool.
Yeah. Well, no. There's one thing that's made of fluff, and it's a fluffy boy, and it's white, and when you say it, and then the thing falls on it, and then there's a bone, and a llama steps on your head, and you get a concussion, and you have to go to the hospital. But at the hospital, they just kick you. They kick you in the face, and they hit you with a roll of newspaper, and you turn into a yak.
Taco, okay. I gotta tell you something. For me and Doug personally, you saved us last summer.
Taco, I gotta ask you a question.
What?
What the heck is wrong with you? Where do you come up with this stuff? Yes. I mean, it's brilliant.
And now we're up to our long-distance dedication. And this one is about kids and pets.
Casey, we're not talking to you. We're trying to talk to Taco.
Hi, Casey. This is Casey. How are you?
Oh, no.
Dear Casey,
Dueling
this may seem to be a
Casey's.
strange dedication request, but it's quite sincere, and it'll mean a lot
Dueling
if you play
Casey
it.
Kasem.
Recently, there was a death in our family. He was a little dog named Snuggles.
Oh, no.
But he was most certainly a part of...
Oh, no.
Let's start again. Coming out of the record. Play the record, okay?
Be gentle, Taco.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
How do you think you two will be regarded in the next century?
And what?
How
And
are we going to be regarded in the next century?
You two.
I don't know. I can only hope we're
I hope
regarded
we're around
half
for
as
next
well as you.
century.
Because I mean, your
Probably
stuff
the
is.
spy planes.
I really think that the stuff you're putting out musically is the wave of the future.
Yes.
As far as I'm concerned.
Back in 1976, when the Residents released their Satisfaction EP, a lot of people hailed it as being new wave. But
Yeah.
later on, it was regarded as punk because, after all, it was made right before the term punk was really coined. And then later on, after they had some success with the thing that they had some success with, they re-released the Satisfaction EP that had new cover art. And the Residents didn't necessarily approve of this, and that, and the fact that their Eskimo project was taking a long time for them to complete, they fled. They fled, and they released Not Available. And the whole purpose of Not Available was that it was not to be released. That's the name.
Yeah.
It was not available per se.
So that brings up a question, Taco. Any plans to put out maybe an album?
An album?
Yeah.
Well, right now I'm working on an album which explores a person's lifespan metaphorically, and it treats it in a similar way to the Commodore 64 game that was released in the mid '80s, Ex Machina, which was about a lifespan, and it included an audio tape that you would actually synchronize as you were playing the game. And at the beginning, it would say, "Hello."
What is that noise, by the way?
Hi, young player. When I turn you down, and when you come back to play, add the screen request. And it says around the famous "All the World's a Stage" quote from Shakespeare's
Taco.
Henry V, I believe.
Hey, Taco?
Yes?
What is that? Did the squirrel thaw out? Is that what we're hearing?
The vial?
No, the squirrel. Did the squirrel thaw out that was in the freezer?
No, actually, that's just hard.
What is that?
I had some questions. I might as well just toss those out.
I have some questions that are guaranteed to shake you up.
Okay.
How much marriage urges a windmill to pinch infinity? Is a magic hide-a-bed the final home of Spanish fire?
I have no idea. Can you give me a hint?
What?
Can you give me a hint?
Veal.
Okay.
It has to do with veal.
It has to do with veal.
Veal.
Ah,
Veal
I
of pre-moistened lens cloth.
I should know this, too.
Pre-moistened lens cloth is not meant for contact lenses. I'm not reading that off the back of the package of pre-moistened lens cloth that I have in front of me. I have that memorized. I read this packaging at frequent periods during the day. About every 21 minutes and 32 seconds, I read the back of my box of pre-moistened lens cloth, which are nice meant for
I wonder if Mrs. Taco is the exact same thing here.
Is there a Mrs. Taco?
Mrs. Just a second.
Oh, no.
I think we're gonna get to talk to her.
Why did I open that? Why did I open that?
I don't know, but I guess we're gonna find out.
Why did I even...
Okay. I got something here.
Okay.
I'm getting a transmission.
All right, hit us.
Amelia Earhart.
You're married to Amelia Earhart?
Yes.
Wow.
Oh, yes.
Cool.
Yeah, and I'm singing Negativland's U2 single down below me, and this is Amelia Earhart. This is not me.
How did you find her?
Earhart, okay?
How did you find her?
In the
I'm Amelia
personals,
Earhart.
obviously.
Okay.
Okay.
Dame nota! Hold on. Have to get the grapes. Wait, excuse me.
What have we seen?
I don't know.
Yeah,
Wow,
we're here.
yeah.
We're here. You are just too much, my friend.
Yeah, well,
Is there something in the water in Rhode Island we should know about?
Hitler was a vegetarian.
Okay, well, I guess that answers my question. Somehow. Man, I mean,
How did you come up with all this?
what inspires you?
Yeah.
What?
What inspires you to do all this?
How do you come up with this stuff? I mean, it's brilliant.
It's dementedly
How
beautiful.
do you, I am loving. You're the new Andy Kaufman in my view.
What is spirit?
What is spirit?
New cologne from.
My new underwear.
Spirit is a bone.
Spirit is
I think I saw that in an old '70s porno movie. Spirit is a bone.
Spirit
And
is
what a bone.
What is bone? It's a comic strip.
Okay.
Do you want me to sing you a song?
Sure. Yeah.
sure.
Hit us.
Sure. What would you like me to sing? I can sing
Anything.
any popular song that I know.
Anything.
Anything.
If anything of your own, or if you want to do a cover
I
of
could
something.
sing that, or I could sing a popular song.
Go for it.
Assuming, of course, that you have
Hey,
the
whatever-
proper copyright clearance.
Yeah. Hey, whatever you want to do, man.
Taco?
Taco, whatever you wanna
let me-
do.
Let me put it to
Tell you what.
this way. No, wait,
Can we
Taco?
take a break
Can
real
we
quick?
take a break?
Oh yeah.
Okay, we'll
We
take a
sure
break
can.
here, and we'll be treated to some live music from Taco the Wonder Dog. Stay tuned.
We're back after this.
Hi, my name is Susie. Every day during recess, I like to toss back a cold one and listen to WXUT 88.3 Toledo.
Okay, we're back.
Yeah, we're back. And
WXUT Pribex Radio Show,
Steve,
Her name's Susie, and she said Dorito.
and yes, and we are
Dorito!
talking to. And I tell you what, if I were the people at Frito-Lay, I would have you make a commercial for them out of that Doritos animation.
Forget Jay Leno. This guy.
Yeah.
Oh, your song you wanted, right?
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, go for it. Our show is your show.
All right. Well, I'd like to sing a little song for you that you may have heard. It's called trying to think of a song that I know. I don't listen to a lot of songs because if I do, the chihuahua comes out of the ceiling. And, okay. I'm going to sing for you.
Okay.
Paranoid Android by Red. No, I don't remember how that goes. Do I? Do I remember? Are you
know.
allowed to do this? Is there a copyright law against me singing radio Paranoid Android?
No, I think we're cool.
We're
Okay,
cool.
okay. I'm going to sing for Radiohead's Paranoid Android. If I can remember how it starts. How does it start? Can you tell me how it starts?
Matt.
Yeah.
Don't look at me.
Okay. I'm just going to pretend to start it.
Okay.
The morning, I keep pretending. The lyrics of Paranoid Android. Come on,
I don't know if that's the end or not, but I loved it.
All right, you guys.
Taco the Wonder Dog.
You tell me to get my mouth on?
Taco the Wonder Dog live.
Standing
Man,
ovation.
that was fantastic.
You are the king. You are the king of comedy, my friend.
Will you have the MP3 of that on the site?
Yeah.
We're going to.
You're going to?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Super.
Fantastic.
Excellent.
That is one of the best. That is right up there.
That has got to be a taco
That's
classic.
up there with Lick Hitler and the Doritos song and Mr. Crazy Shoeface.
Yeah. Well, this side usually is Swastikas on Parade.
Swastikas on Parade is the name of that?
No.
Oh.
I think that's going to be in
Okay.
the Disney World
the site-
light orchestra thing.
The site, for those of you wondering, is Geistmag.
No.
No, it's not. It's changed?
They moved it.
They moved it.
Make a jazz noise here.
Okay.
Yeah, baby, right on, right on.
Go for it. Steve. Get one of those game show themes. I don't know.
You really want me to play a game show theme right now?
So you have-
no, thanks.
You have a new website address?
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
Okay, what is it?
It's www.true. No, there's no www. Actually, if I remember correctly, my memory serves me right. There's no www. In fact, it doesn't work if you type in www. I think it only works if you don't type in www. It's truemeaningoflife.com.
TrueMeaningofLife.com.
/taco.
/taco.
True Meaning of Life is run by my good friend Matt, who's the smartest man in the entire world.
Is that our Matt or a different Matt?
No, it's
Different Matt.
You are Dave and Matt, if my memory serves me right.
No, we're Doug and Steve.
Oh, that's kind of close because one of them starts with a D.
It's close enough.
Hey.
So
As
who's
they
your
say in the
man?
commercial, close enough.
Oh yeah, Matt's the
Doug.
guy who got me this gig, as
Matt's our producer,
showbiz
yeah.
people say.
Matt's our producer.
Matt is our producer, Uber Lord, and genius.
Yes.
He's a genius, a super scientist, smartest man who has ever lived. It's ridiculous. How smart he is, but we will prove it to you, man.
And we are Doug and Steve. I'm Steve, and that's Doug.
I'm Doug. And Matt is here also.
My own song, I'm touched.
Far out. Dude.
You're touched. Soon you will be.
A song for
By an angel?
Matt. That is fantastic.
By an angel?
Sometimes he is
Yeah.
touched by an angel.
One time I watched Touched by an Angel with subtitles.
What was that like?
It was the same except with subtitles.
Oh, well, what language were the subtitles in?
Carbonated water.
Okay, Taco.
Oh, man. Taco, that was incredible.
You
And I
are
hope
you are one of a kind, Taco.
You truly are. You are an original. I say you're the wave. It's the wave of the future.
Hi, this is Casey Kasem.
Hi,
We're up to our
Casey.
long-distance dedication, and this one is about kids and pets and a little situation that we can all understand.
Hi, Casey. This is
I hope someday you get Casey Kasem's job.
Wow,
Yes.
I had my first gay experience. Yes. And let me tell you, it was great.
I hope. Was it good for you too?
Yes. Taco, this is Casey. I like your style. You can take this show anytime.
Taco, I hope
Hi,
you're.
this is Casey Kasem. Negative Land's U2 single can still not be legally re-released, and it's all my fault. I am a horrible monster, and I pray for death.
I wish I could do Chubby Checker right now for
Yeah.
him, but I don't think I
Hey,
got a
I'll
chance.
tell you what. Can you do something based on Chubby Checker? Because he's even more of a psycho than
Chubby
Casey
Checker,
Kasem.
hey, you mean that the one who did that song, Let's Twist Again?
Yeah, he's even more of a psycho than Casey Kasem.
Yeah.
Well, that's quite a coinkydink, because listen to what I have right here. I have my
wow.
good friend Hitler in
No
the room.
way.
Oh no. Do I get a chance to rebuttal?
Ja, der kommt her und touch. Ja, gut. Ich sing meinen Song, wenn du hörst den Gong. Den Text und den Twist, bist du nicht der Best.
Yeah, Hitler!
Hitler doing the twist.
Straight up.
Far
I'm
out.
Chubby Checker.
That
and
is-
that is good.
Wow.
You did good.
That is fantastic. I hope that's on the site too.
Yeah, well,
as you know, my website is on the internet, and on the internet there's a lot of other interesting things too. Like recently I was using a website that allows you to search other sites on the internet, and while searching other sites on the internet, I soon discovered a site that had a link to another site. Now on the site that was linked to by this other site, which I found on the search engine, which allows me to search other sites, I found a link to the same search engine. It's like an infinite loop. And you know what? It's like a snake eating its own tail.
Yeah, really. I know exactly what you mean, man.
Yeah, it's like vomiting up, and then taking that vomit and eating it again, and then vomiting it up
throwing
again.
it up again. And then just repeating the whole
Like
process.
a dog returns to his vomit.
Yeah.
A Christian will return to the Bible.
Yep. Oh, man. So we got to wrap it up, man. But Taco, it was fantastic.
Taco,
we hope to
you
have
were
you
great.
on again.
Yeah.
What?
We hope to have you on again sometime. We got to wrap it up.
Okay,
But, man,
wrap it up and will.
unbelievable. It was unbelievable.
What kind of rap is this? Was my last comment. I'd like to ask.
I don't know.
Is this the one that involves big, dumb, fake gold chains?
No, more like wrapping things up. But we could do a rap about wrapping things up.
Yeah, like, yo, my name is Taco. I'll hit you with a Rocco's Modern Life, which was unfortunately canceled by Nickelodeon, who also canceled John Krikowski's show, and now he has a new show on Fox Kids, which is actually kind of mediocre.
Yeah, we just jammed with Taco the Wonder Dog, Steve. It don't get any better than that.
Taco,
man.
thank you, bro.
Thank you, man.
All right, bye-bye.
Listen, you saved us this summer. You saved us in fall. Buddy, you are the man.
The dog.
The
Wonder Dog.
The dog.
The Wonder Dog.
You are the Wonder Dog.
All right, this is KMWF with your host, Dick Vaughn. Remember, don't touch that dial. It's got dick on it.
Taco the Wonder Dog, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Prybax Radio Show. And
on the
let's hear another one of his songs from tape.